As a native New Yorker, I can understand how tough it can be to get a good night's sleep in the great outdoors. You've got bugs, wildlife, and most importantly, the sound. Complete silence. It's maddening. That's why I created the battery-powered, portable white noise machine for New Yorkers. Now, with just a push of a button, you can take the soothing chaos of New York with you wherever you go.
Yo, get out the street, bitch!
And if that wasn't good enough, order now and we'll give you 3 more bonus settings, like Brooklyn, circa 1985. Williamsburg.
Oh my God, this artisanal water tastes amazing.
Or our personal favorite, paper-thin apartment walls.